still a man bit to send quada. You see, son, I need that. Yes, or friend will be needed that. Yeah, I need that. Oh, come on, man, hey, our day, hey, yow, your day for now. Yabe pro, I'm a call. Let me put Jabro, my uncle tire, make what you know, ma, make a year way, me banning me bra, a fair mammy, oh, Bapoma, me, Adam to save so and your crew now there. When your mother did advise you, you saw her advise as unnecessary. I don't quite put pride also the baby. And never be funny game who boom home, say, when I bore me, when I wore me, when I'm sure, when I'm using a cup on your family. Or call question, however, I'm going to go quite no, not that baby. The topic for today, I say, a good wife can never divorce an impotent husband. A good wife can never divorce an impotent husband. And sese oba pa bia ejai ni kunua sebe ni huniho ne bema ewu na mbisa atiefo ni ahwefo se saa na sese e kanu saa na sese eba no ana se oba pa ede benti na wujai wukun a oni bema te na ne stick no asai ewu intimi adwuma bi intimi power na wujai no intebusa for mumrai na yenche am say asem say ba question ba ko obi abisa na say asetna pa ben na ben ma no ne tran ye o ma mi nu ne wo wi ase e ma mi nu no ba ko ho a wodi usika be hwe no wo be bia adwuma ma no wo be ye ne na koma pe bia broso na so adwuma sey a wo be ko no anu aduane no ne need omma o ene ye wo e ma kuo bi nso ho a se do mo so tie ne se be ma mo na brabom se den se be ma nante so tantanta se den se be ma di enyaya de hye no se den so be ma di ni se den kura na se be ma ho kire no a ono de onye bia obema be ma ni die di e bibiri sounds no bi nso yo be ni bia no o de boni betua oka your man be so tisa in a lot of men feel that men as gender feel that they are superhuman. Say, meme bema dear, me a strong. Me the boni di ukura no drink for boni ni me. Enti ade oba bia peni say bema ne betena sundwim. Bema ne behwe no. Bema ne be krokro no. Bema ne betena semase. Obeya botan bema wo ye botan ma wo ba. So ba ne kwa hie nu a no de na ti portray nu a o se metwe yo botan bi. What I say? O so na twitwi na bre bia wo ni da so. Obema so ban aniwam nisuo. We keep pepa oba na aniwam nisuo ma no. Obema oti oba yem kom se me no kire no e kom de me yire mi nkodi di abontin beda do amutra be fie onye samo ne magda we oba sa bibia ne oba be mo oba ni die otin ka se mi okunu a se kunu osusu se me ni wa ontimi ntra sa be ma ene oba bia be so obare no ɛna wanya saa bɛrima no bi ɛna waya na aboro so ɔna bɔbraa ɛnɛ bɛrima no ho adwodo a wosi ntumi ne ntra woyɛ widini papa wankae sɛ bɛrima na mo agyina friends papa bɛrima na mo agyina tebea bi a ɛyɛ obi amama ɛna bɛrima na kwa ho hiahia mu a wosi wogya because ɛnɛ wontumi ne wɔna yɛwɔ saa bɛrima no wɔ hɔ yɛwɔ saa mmaa no wɔ hɔ afei yɛhwɛ deɛ bi ɛmɛma to bi so feel sɛ me na meyɛ bɛrima na yɛkan Genesis nwoma no a Genesis nwoma no Yakobɔ twerɛ wɔ se Genesis say there's gender equality ɛmɛma ne ɛma there is gender equality more than male leadership as a men no dɔɔso mɛma mu dodo ɛno na ɛma mɛma bebree fom ma bebree no sɛ yɛ me na meyɛ bɛrima woyɛ bɛrima fa woyɛ bɛrima nanso ayɛ a yɛmmra fam kakra hwɛ na meka kyerɛ wo afidie so sɛ bɛrima biara te sɛ abɔbɛfrɛ no adoa ɔwura mu adoa tum ne ka a ɔbɛtum ne ka krik ɛnkyɛn wɔ abrɛ bɛrima da nyam sɛ yɛmmɔbɔ sen biribiara enti mememe no ɛmfie nkɔwie baabi papa biara o si eti a yere no masɛm a anke wa hotɔ enti mɛmɛ ti ɔmere no masɛm bi bɛ ɔmo ahotɔ bebree God created us in his own image said yeah we should take dominion over everything that he has made he has created not Adam alone including Eve or the ɔsoro ne asase bi biara ɛhyɛ ɛnyɛ ɛmoa ɛnam soro no takrabo ɛnam soro ɛmoa ɛnam wiem ɛnam a wɔn nsuom ɛne nam a wasase so Yakobɔ de wɔn nyinaa ne aduapade a wɔyɛ nnua ne nneɛma a wɔtwa nyinaa de sɛ nipa nsa ne adamfo a wɔne Eve na it is that there is gender equality the supremacy of man on earth is not what God designed it in the Bible. The Bible never said Adam alone was going to take dominion over the surface of the earth. Pankasa. Enti, me na me ware wo, me na me sida mo Adam, me na me tota ade ma wo hye, na me na me feedi wo no, emwa mema bebre, emema esa bebre ne no mani maguase. I'm telling you. So he ended his nonsense with, so I can choose to do whatever I want with my body. What I say. Kofi ye yo, kofi de wo ye yo, papa de ye yo, miura de wo ye yo, was metimi ade de me dim honam be bia metimi de honam aye. Emfa, oba. Obekwa sa be fie, enguasiem. Obekọ. Never lose sight of the fact that if you deny the realities of today, you surely face the negative consequences tomorrow. And then, at the end of the day, you feel, Emma or you don't need no one, you know, or China. Ube face, ube shower how. Now, be sure was saying. Now, be born sema manager. And to be very careful how you handle your life. Be very, very careful. Some men are just like children. And men may be till a man might be the same quada. You see, son, then I need that. Yes, a friend will be a leader. Yeah, I need that. Oh, come on, man, I mean, hey, our day, hey, yow, your day for now, Yabe Pro, I'm a call. Let me go down, bro. My uncle tire, make what you know, ma, make a year way, me banning me bra, a fair mammy. Oba me Adam to say be so and your kuna there. Some men tired that. When your mother did advise you, you saw her advice as unnecessary. I don't quite go cry there. Also the baby. Sangality. And never did funny deal no boom woman say when I bore me, when I wore me, when I'm sure, when I'm using your cup on your family. Or calling question hour, unfair to acquire no, not their beefy. Not their beefy. But always keep in check the dynamisms in creation, which make men the most miserable creatures in creation. Onyame ade bom adane nti emma nyame ade bom no se odwene ho a wonti ase power the dynamisms in creation okwanya go from ba so bo wi ase no me se asana sententan eye hwanyan. You can't understand nature. Yes, in the Bible, and was here very careful with the way we treat our wives. Stick, you know, and channel and channel and channel animal guasi. And to be very careful how you handle your wife. Hey, and Bruno, open no after 60, after 70, and then so Yakopon Emma when you or Mawenia, can be who men may good them one. They are very in passion, in pain. How will you know fat Prambina back? Now you think you are handsome, you are energetic, you have your pocket money to satisfy a woman on bed. Who are more diabetes or bad that 24 hours a day. But who did you want here? I have been defeated. And then the one. So who did you want here? I said, and the name should be fear. I was so did it be. Pionim, and member be did you want you, but sometimes not even see it. The wife do not even they do not know. Because what Kun was saying was a mini prune. What I get to because they respect their wife fully, abundantly, beautifully. Obinsu see one of the mountain, or mefie, or nephew, or nidini rebiane, or nenu she, no beye swa. Papa was say it is a curse on you. Say oba when you are remember the news you suffer. It's a very big curse. Nobody's blaming you for your thought, but remember the woman who you have married. There's a woman at home that also needs that part of you. Good sex. Here, and now we know Kasemi catch on say, and remember baby Beko Bunsam Jim. Asofo baby cannot see heaven because of the way they have maltreated their wives on the sexual part of life. If you deny your wife sex, I mean good sex, you'll be 4 months in me. On any nada. 4 months. 1 year. Will be 10 years. Will be 20 years. My catcher will say, I did being see that independent in the bar. I should tell you. Who will be that as in whom that catches up against me? Is see the beer. Obi so opane you don't know officer there ahomete jawa na oba no nya you na okokra ko be so rough I say when oba wo nyame adwen e ma say when nyame adwen o be dim na your there an appropriate time. Now if it happens I am a wife and you deny me this and the state later face troubles and challenges, Mr. Wabadam, can you feel that? Umma ba no so na de nam ha na de nam ha na de nam ha na na ba hwe yeo kwabna hwe yeo ya hwe yeo akwasi hwe yeo o de wose mranti o kan na na osisi mo den na later ya de bi ko bon na de na say e ma be kwa ja e na mo se ma anya no se mo se ma anya e ma ye pa depending on how you treat them. There are some women who are wicked, who are treacherous, no matter how good you treat them. They are odd. They are awkward. They will never give anything good to you. But there's other women, plenty of them, where Papa with you. I say to you. And to never get that, now get it away, never get that. Some begin to be due about. Now I can't almost say, so what from the view of our measure. Fashion to say, when your boy and unya mata na mu sem no be do ana 8 enti so sisamadwen onware na wo tie mani a kasa o say ene waro ba na skin ye ofe waro ba wo don waro ba na wa kono waro ba beti na bobra waro ba na dwen nyame adwen. In another section, I'll treat this thing. So there are 4 principles are to share and your man. I just so touchable. How you can see a woman, how you can see a man. Now the inner for which you cannot see, the outer ones here, they'll see to him. No one has own to even before the ring. Even before the ring. I'm saying that if you have a spiritual eye, you could today see how a lot of men, old age men, are burning with passion in their houses. Yeah, how you get that you can fear kasa. If fear if mansion kasa. What you gonna be and I'm this about the because he mishandled the woman of the house. And then at all. And there are 2 types of women that I want to introduce to you. Some women will complain later and leave you. To go over, we say your ideas and I know a Jawarian, no can be boko. We say your idea, we nephew, on Shano, on Maniska, on Tatadie, on Tontoma, on one of the sometimes man because the pre-chum school or school feed, you are the man will be there. That's what they was something is still what they man from Kwan, a bit young performer. I hope everybody will say, movie, until we get reports of so many types. Or baby, so far, on company, on now, not gonna say then, the beat, Obinya. And now, what the one, now. Spirit not catch that with the bise men for the woman. The same spirit not be so you. But since you must say the will be found for a time, they know a man can hear nothing. Now to borrow now I feel no use. Uncle baby, what spirit is more than 4 hours. My baby, I feel no use. Uncle who be a little for die for no use. Almost said a market and if you nothing they will go. Now, if you respect your wife, and you're going to say, if you can make other women tense in hotel rooms, why can't you make your wife queen in your own house? Yes. Drop your ego. And men money do not be too for the higher view African men. Ghanaian men won't have it for. Must have a qua some Abe Shiniamian, Abe a nipple too for her. Wouldn't me say, did I write me say? A man may be a woo. Yakwasi or moi, or the sea one and even cannot pursue her in ma, or bad when the soonest I pass a man. Umbetia, or Bebano. None panon in the dazzle. Now, down for none irrita company, the Superman or car went in. Sad for Corona, but on them near that's what knows what's in Meru. And I'm fun as soon tea in a seven. Now, or go feed our lawyer now in the bar has it with this one the bar. After some corner, yeah, you've been sour, say, over. Maybe. But I basically my papa one thing. Was it the Usu? And they will be sure about them, and they will not be a savior for you. Nobody can save your life. See, a real man never hurt a woman. Be careful when you make a woman cry. Unless the woman herself has done something that should warrant your action. Other than that, it's a curse to make a woman cry. Because God counts her tears. That's special to him. So now Benny so tough for the call banning your share. Name Obama Sama I'm telling you, Kofi. Minaya name. Start writing the truth from what tea. Na fire it is better to divorce a troublesome wife than to pay her back by denying her sex. It is better, say, about hygiene. Sirach say, Sirach 25:25, or say, if a woman will not listen to you and will not do as you want, divorce her. I am more concerned about a man. You do your penny fees or your pension. Because remember, baby, pension, no? Now you're older than the wife. What am I saying? Intino, so pension. Now the day the way or the video papa bebre papa. Because that time, you know, body na a week, who a week, but why a week that after 70, 60, 80, 70, economy, body na a week cannot even cook. No bad will be a mafia. Listen to this. Inti can a married woman divorce her husband because of impotency? Yes, if you have failed to treat her well. No, if you treated her well. But some women will divorce you because of impotency, even if you have treated her well. That is some women. Papa be a baby, but the money be due. And then you saw her mouth be brave for 60-70%. When the papa do to the papa be due. And you go and never papa I move 5 years you at it. Now catch on say, who will be papa bit. And my baby no, if you treat them well, they will treat you very good. And my crabby and then you went. Or say, out of a man's rape, a woman was formed. And your bathing padwan of Benamu going the ball or bar. Not from his feet. But new or bad free bear manasi. Not
a bearman film panino, and your bearman.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Out of a man's rape, a woman was formed. Or bearman film panino ye or the ball bar. Now, one fat a friend or bearman don't pay. No. One fat or bearman 18 don't pay. No. Said the bell metiano so, and I said, what did be better so now I can't eat baby. I am a sight. So I will say what? Equality. Under the arm to be protected and nest in his heart to be loved. Quite an appreciable number of men, pastors, will miss heaven because of this, denying their wives of good sex. Everything of all. The teacher when the person can say, so person obidi what no ma obidi a ene obidi amanidi. Nene udidi wa ma kodobi, you expect God to give you his food tomorrow. That is not appreciation. That is wickedness. That is selfishness. So we always keep what you have, but expect somebody to give you what he or she has. That is not proper. I never acquire meaning or computer. Our mechanic is garbage in, garbage out. You never computer, whatever you feed the computer is the same thing, is the result of what the computer also feed you off. And it's what the money do here. You say you want the money big deal. What the papa do here? And mark a crab in them for papa new. And what they say. And you say a good wife can never divorce an impotent man. It is not true. A good wife can divorce an impotent man if you have failed to treat her very well with all the practices and norms of marriage. But so oba bema yewu bema show ye bema di usima poma komia so na eje wo de boni dina na be tua ka e blessing me da mase.